The last component that teachers take frequent assessments in fluency is pace. And assessing pace is very differently than assessing expression or phrasing. Assessing pace does not look at how their voice sounds. It looks only at accuracy of words per minute. And so assessment of a student's reading pace is done through a timed reading. We have to find 1 minute of reading, and we're listening to those students go through the text for 1 minute and seeing how many words correct they have in that minute. Words that are not correct and not self-corrected do not count. If a child makes a mistake and they self-correct it, it does count as a correct word per minute. Students can read fluency passages that you can find online, poems, regular books, or word and phrase cards. You think about our high fluency sight words, you could get those word rings out that we talked about on the word identification week, and you could see how many sight words they read in a minute. And then time them again next week. How many words did they get per minute? Okay, that's looking at their timed reading. Also, we have phrase cards by the same group that put together our high frequency words. We have high frequency phrases, and those high frequency phrases can be looked at. How many phrases can they read in a minute? Okay, we want to do assessing of timed readings at intervals that are maybe weekly or bi-weekly, so we're seeing growth just like we saw in some of the other areas. Also, on that first, coming up on the next slide, you'll see that students often are recording their own words per minute, and they chart these on graphs often, and a graph is a nice way to see that progress. The results to this reading assessment, again, are reported in words correct per minute, and we see that WCPM little label. I want you to watch the video, and this is a child reading for 1 minute, and you can see the words correct per minute.